Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And we have a new car for 2025. Here we have the Mazda Repu, number 2 out of 5 from Hotwheels J Imports, and number 47 out of 250. And yeah, there's the card, there's the car itself. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So yes, we have another pickup. It's been a while since I've reviewed a pickup truck, I would say, made by Hot Wheels, and yeah, judging by the looks of it, I really do like it. Matte, what should I say about this? It's supposed to be like a matte dark tan sort of color, which is interesting. Love the matte color paint job on this one. What else? Yeah, you have like sort of like this surfing background on the like side of the car, the side panel of the car, and also the hood. And yeah, there are some resemblance to some things here and there. So at first, when I looked at the card and also the car, when I see the design of the car, I thought it was gonna be something called a Kanagawa surfing sort of like background, as that is pretty much famous as well, a very famous painting, which is yeah, I would say pretty underrated, and yeah, many people loved it very much. Not sure, I don't think this resembles the Kanagawa like theme. I'm not sure, I don't think so, but yeah, they just randomly slapped on sort of like a water wave sort of background towards the car, which I like, on the side of the car and also on the hood. Very clean as well, not to mention that. Yeah, you have some details here and there, but let's go ahead and take a close look at the Mazda Repu. Oops. So like I said, colored in sort of like this dark tan matte color, which is nice. So you have some of this Japanese text at the back right here near the back of the bed, which I'm not sure what they call that. Some design in dark brown. It says Mazda on the door, and then you have, like I said, the water waves, or sort of like a surfing wave sort of background, which I like. Some water and also the waves, the flow of the waves towards the front. I really do like that. You can see those are the wheel arches right here, pretty much the same size for front and back. And we do have these black rims with a chrome sort of bluish, like chrome bluish sort of outer barrel of the rims, which are nice. Plastic blacked out rims, of course, or tires, sorry. It says Mazda on the door, I did mention that just now. And then moving towards the front of the car here, we have no headlight details, no extra light details, no Mazda like Repu logo or anything, no license plate as well. Then the whole front bumper here is actually plastic and is also colored in sort of like this grayish plastic color. So yeah, the front is plastic, just if you're wondering. Over on the hood right here, we can see that it has more of these waves sort of back, sort of like a wave texture design right here on the hood, on the side parts of the hood, which are nice. It says Mazda rotary power right there in the middle. A bit of an intake right here. So blue tinted windshield, blacked out interior, left hand. Is it left hand drive? Yeah, it is left hand drive, surprisingly. Maybe this is not like the Japanese version, I'm not sure, but it's left hand drive. So normally these Japanese pickup trucks, they would normally be on the right hand side for their passenger, sorry, not passenger, but the driver's seat. Normally is on the right side, yeah, right side, but this time it's on the left. So maybe this is not like the pickup truck made for Japan. Maybe it's more to like the US side, I think, of passenger seats, I'm not sure. Over on this side, nothing much different I can see. Nothing much as different from the other side, but still pretty cool. So it's like a 3/4 blacked out bed. The 3/4 part, which is this black part right here, is actually plastic, pretty much connected to the sorry, not the base, but more to the interior. And yeah, the another quarter of the portion of the base, sorry, not the base, but the bed is actually metal, of course connected to the body of the car. And of course, moving on to the back, we sadly do not have rear lights, no like Mazda logo or Mazda text here and there or anything. No rear lights, no license plate as well, sadly. We have two exhaust tips on the right side which do not have any color, sadly, just plain gray. Pretty much the base color, which is right here, the plastic gray color base. We have the Mazda Repu right there, 2018 Mattel and made in Malaysia. It's been a while since our model of the Mazda Repu here was released back then, and I believe I have reviewed this in red back a few years ago, of course. But back at the time, yeah, it was, I'd say, half on half famous and half not, basically. Like nowadays, yeah, I rarely see these on pegs, so that would most probably mean that people are hunting for these Repus. So I would reckon that people still collect these Mazda Repus or these Mazda pickup trucks and basically keeping it for their collection. But I really do like the design. The design on this is pretty nice, pretty simplistic, but still very cool. If there were to be no design, I would say they would have the headlight and rear light details as of the first casting that was released for the Repu, which was colored in red back in 2019, I think. I can't recall that much for that because yeah, I actually have that in my collection. It was a red colored Repu. It was just a plain metallic red color, which I liked, and yeah, it was pretty clean. That one had headlights, so not sure about rear lights though, but there is headlight details, and there was no other like livery on it, so it makes it more to like a clean, empty sort of pickup truck, which I do like. And yeah, they added, of course, the headlight details, which are I would say supposed to be mandatory, but still what to do. It's a $1, $2 model, so cannot really say much, but still I really do like this one. The livery on this is pretty cool. Love the color as well, sort of like a dark tan sort of color, which is nice, and matte as well, which is great. But yeah, I guess that's all for today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.